do we have a national cyber defense plan? Kasi as I see from your briefing, Yusek, reactive tayo eh. And we do not even react properly dahil we do not know where these hacks are coming from. So, paano natin i-prosecute kung hindi po natin malaman kung saan nanggagaling itong hacks na ito?
If I may answer, Your Honor. Sir, we have a national cybersecurity plan. There was an Executive Order 58. I think, but I don't know if just a play of words, Your Honor, but there is also a national defense plan, which is cybersecurity is also mentioned there. No, but I don't know if that's what you're referring to, Your Honor.
That's the problem. Kasi kung kayo mismo na nag-implement nito, ay marami, hindi nagkakaisa, may problema tayo. Because we should only have one national cyber defense plan to be implemented by government. Otherwise, shotgun approach tayo. Di po ba? As it is, reactive po tayo eh.